Sasha from netbooknews.com over here with the SmartQ V52, and what you notice is it's a dual boot system. So I can switch between Android and Ubuntu Linux. So this is the first time we're booting this up. I have no clue how it's going to look like. So yeah, why don't you join me on this little ride to see how Ubuntu Linux is running on a SmartQ V52 MID, which is based on an ARM11 at 600 megahertz, which is actually overclocked to 720 megahertz. A 4.3-inch display with a resistive touchscreen, and 800 by 480 is the resolution, and it has 256 MBs of RAM. And yeah, here we go. Wow, that's the Ubuntu desktop, and I think I will really have to take a detailed look into this, because that's the very first time we see Ubuntu running on such a device. So what do we have over here? Of course, my documents. Here is the little drop-down menu that brings you to the different applications. So we have some games over here, accessories, graphics. There's internet. It's actually even a BitTorrent file, so you can have a BitTorrent client or a platform on the go. Here we come with some Office programs. There's a VLC media player. I know that's quite interesting. It's what's a PC file manager, and over here we have settings. And it always says 3G dial-up, but I'm sure. So this is also going to open a shell. Okay, can I please close this? Here we go. Interesting, very, very interesting. Okay, how can I get rid of this keyboard right now? Maybe here, maybe there. Where is the keyboard go away key? Maybe the power button? Nope. Okay. We would say quit. Interesting. Anyways, how about starting this little paint program over here? Let's see what it does. Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo. You know, just think that there is no keyboard here. Gosh, we need to be capable of getting rid of this goddamn keyboard. How about here? You know, that was actually too obvious, because it looks like a keyboard. Hey, I'm sorry guys, but, you know, please don't call me out, or please do call me out in the comments. I haven't been playing around with Ubuntu for ages, really like ages, so I'm not even sure what kind of desktop they're using. Is this GNOME? Well, it's not KDE, it should be GNOME, I think. So yeah, it's actually reacting like a real computer or desktop computer, and you have all kinds of different programs over here that you already know from your desktop Ubuntu maybe. Okay, I have no connection to the internet right now, and because I just don't know what the login for this Wi-Fi network over here is. So let's see if there are any video files on here. Nope, not at all. That's, by the way, the VLC player. So you can definitely play back every little single video file that is available. And how about, there's an Adobe reader here. Is this an ebook reader? Let's check it out. It is an ebook reader. So how does this look like? The FB reader. Okay. So I think that's about it. It just has no content available right now. Yeah, quite interesting to play around with this for the very first time. You know, for these guys that are absolutely brilliant in editing spreadsheets on 4.3 inch, you know, this might come in handy. The G numeric spreadsheet. Let's get rid of the keyboard again. Let's make it full screen. Let's see if the accelerometer works under Ubuntu. The accelerometer doesn't work under Ubuntu. So it seems in terms of how it's supporting the hardware of the SmartQ, it's lacking some features. Yeah, what else can I show you? You know, I mean, this is just a briefly, very first look, because I just have no clue about this operating system right now and how you can use this on an MID. And I think it would be also way easier if we would have an internet connection right now over here. But what you can see is it's the very first MID or PMP that we ever had in our hands that is running a Ubuntu version. So, you know what, maybe we can even figure out what kind of Ubuntu version this is. Maybe not, because I just have no clue what to do. And to bring that information screen up to see what we are really looking at. So, you know what, this is a very first hands-on of Ubuntu Linux on the SmartQ v5.2. We might want to take a more detailed look at this system a little bit later. I'm Sascha from netbooknews.com. Thanks for watching.